no sound.
No, check now. It's in the work now. There you go.
The mic, yeah, it's working.
Is it working? Okay, guys, we're waiting for buys.
Let's see.
Flip.
Is it working?
Wait, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second. What's happening to my screen here, bro? Okay, let's jump into small buys on German 30. Small buys on German 30.
Yeah, it's working.
Yeah.
Not in too heavy, no, not in too heavy. We're trading the open. We didn't get candlestick confirmation just yet. But we're taking small buys on German 30, guys. Small buys on German 30. Let's see how that previous 4 hour. Not the greatest close in the 4 hour, but let's just jump in. I'll show you guys the setup here. Oh, here's the setup here. We might still come a bit lower to reject. That's when I'm going to go in a bit more aggressive. But it's a bit slow on here. Why? It's lagged. Okay, here we go. Now it's working. Okay, here we go. Small buys on German 30. Why is it lagged, bro? Oh, yeah. It's a bit lagged here.
On the chart.
Yeah.
I really don't know. Could be. It's not the maybe premium, so it could be a
Small lag on the. Oh, okay.
on TradingView. Could be
Yeah,
a
there's huge lag, bro.
Massive now?
on
Yeah, but
TradingView.
it's fine. We're still in. I'm going to tell you when we're going to go in hard. Waiting for this 5 minute to close.
Sure.
You out?
Yeah.
You went in very hard.
Bro, what's wrong with me? 0.01.
How many?
3.
On how much?
On like 1.5.
Oh, that's a bit heavy, bro.
That's not heavy, but they would have paid me heavy.
Yeah, I don't have paid you heavy.
Nice response there.
We're waiting. I'm gonna give you guys a stop loss. I just got one running for now. I'm waiting for candlestick closure and then we're gonna enter hard. This could just be creating a wick for now. On this 5 minute. We could just be creating a wick. So once I see this candlestick close, I'm gonna give you the exact stop loss and stuff. So we just got our entry for now, one entry. I'm gonna tell you guys when we're gonna enter heavy, when we're gonna jump in a bit heavy. Waiting for this close on this 5 minute. Let's wait and see. Could also get a rejection from this point here. Let's wait and see. Did we tap in there? Yeah, now we tapped in there. Let's see. Hey, it's dipping, man. It's pulling back. But wait. It's still valid. There's 5 minutes. This next 2 minute candles can change the whole thing around. And then we're going to enter hard. If this closes above the support, this current 5 minute close above this level of support, we're going to go in extremely, extremely hard. Well, I'm going to go in extremely hard. You guys will manage your risk. Hey, does want to give us a chance. Let's see. On this 1 minute how it closes. We got 2 more minutes for the 5 minute close. Two minutes for the 5 minute close. We're still sharp. It's still valid for now. It's dipping, bruh. Let's see how this one closes. 1 minute. Drawdown is a bit heavy, but I won't lie. The drawdown is a bit heavy.
We're 4,000 subscribers right now, bro.
Are we on 4,000?
Yes, sir.
And we're in drawdown. That's not good. That's not good at all. 600, 1 sec. Yeah, I hope we don't come to that 600 point chair, man. That's gonna be too heavy to hold. That's gonna be too heavy to hold. Not an amazing 5-minute close, but as I said, this could just be creating a wick on that 15-minute. This just could be creating a wick. So I'm still in. I'm in drawdown, as you guys can see. Real account. I'm in drawdown. Let's see how long I can last. If we get a nice bullish close on the 5-minute and a change, then we could be fine. Because this could just be creating a wick on the higher time frame. So let's wait and see. See, on all of these 1-hour candles, it's still fine. This could just be a wick. Hopefully, let's see. But if it has to change, it must change now, man. It must change now. One of the best, the Gali. Oh, yeah, thank you, my G's. Thank you, my G's. Still gonna go over some other stuff that we went over yesterday. What does it say? Hey, Keith, my bro. Is that Keith? Which Keith? My Keith? No.
Keith, no,
Oh.
that's the trader who got
Oh.
all the payout, like a lot of payouts
Oh.
recently on
Comit Capital. He's killing it now?
Easy.
1 minute looked like it wants to push back up. But let's see. Let's see how the 5-minute close. Chelsea and Pirates. The best teams in the world, brother. The best teams. Hey, but I've been catching hiding on FIFA, yo. Yeah, it must turn, man. I just hope it doesn't tap into this, because then it'll take me out. If it comes here, it'll take me out to this support. I'm hoping this is just a wick like this. I want you to do this on my 5-minute time, on my 15-minute time frame. I want you to do this. If it does that, then I'll be sharp. Just mustn't go lower, because I entered a bit too much. I didn't expect such a huge wick. But let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. W for the top G. Where's what's up, my bro? Let's see how many minutes for the close. For 5-minute close, we got like 3 minutes left. 3 minutes left for the 5-minute close. Not a bad 1 minute. We just need just a slowdown of this retracement. Then the next candle must vie. Here we go. Starting to change a bit. As long as we close above there on the 15-minute, guys, we're going to add more positions. I will tell you guys, for those who are not in just yet, whatever the case is. But we have to get that 50-minute close above that support. Else this thing could come a little lower. And most likely then it'll take me out. I will show you guys 1 second. There we go. Not a bad one. Not a bad 1 minute. See, 1 minute is starting to change a little bit. But there's not enough momentum, man. It seems very slow. As long as we break above there, we're sharp. And then from there, we'll target that one. Let me see what's happening. Are you going to send this thing? I'm going to tell you guys when you guys can enter more. I entered a bit early when I was excited. But I'm going to tell you guys when it's safe if you guys are not in just yet. I'm going to tell you guys when it's safe. Then you guys can also enter. So I'm looking for buys on this. It's playing a bit stiff. I wanted it to tap in here and push up because it was London Open. But I just pulled down. Are we buying anything on gold? I was looking at gold. I'll look at it in a bit as well now. I'm just waiting for this 50-minute close and I'll let you guys know. A few guys messaged me with regards to the thing I showed you guys on gold. You guys made some money yesterday on those levels I showed you. Are you one of them? If you are in the chat, this is a nice 5-minute close, guys. It's a nice 5-minute close. Let's see if this 5-minute can push now.
No.
Just a slow open. It just shut down and now it's like almost dead. Yeah, it's coming down. I don't think we're going to get a nice close on the 15-minute. It's probably coming down to this level here. I think we need to wait it out. Could change from there though, man. Yo. I'm only looking for buys on this, guys. Only looking for the buys. I'm not looking to sell this at all. Let me see something here. Yeah, it could buy from this point here. See this level of support here. This could be the buy there, but it's risky, man, because there's lots of bearish momentum still. Hey, unlucky guys that entered with me. That's my first L in a long while, nah?
Yeah, for sure. That.
That was an L. Yo, even I got taken out. Let me show you guys. I took a loss because I entered here on the top. It took me out. I think I got like 2 positions running. I lost 8 grand. There's 1 grand left. But I can always top up. Did anyone jump in and take an L with me? Good morning, Magali. Can you please tell me psychological levels for currencies and indices also? Okay, I will, bro. I did gold and stuff and currencies yesterday. It's the same. Currencies and indices are the same, my brother. And gold is just the 25 levels. You're also trading for gold today. Yeah. Those levels are killers. Much love. Away. W's. Morning, Magali. Can you please tell me? Okay, I told you that. And play it out. Please check NASDAQ. Okay. Yes, I took a unlucky. Yo, you just made 26K. Nice one, my bro. What did you take? Yeah, I also took a L, my bro. Unlucky, guys. Yo. This thing can still vie up, man. This thing can still vie up from this level here where it is currently, guys. It can still go up from the support here. As I said, this could just be a week. It's just, yo, I'm scared to tell you guys to enter, man, because we just took a L now. I don't want you guys to lose money, man. I don't mind losing, but I don't want you guys to lose. Let's see. Let's wait for this 5-minute close. I might enter again. I'll let you know. If you do plan on joining me, don't go in too heavy. And stop loss must be just below this week. Yeah, I forgot to send my thing to the group. How many things we got? How many people are on?
Live now. Let me check. I think it was last check 155.
Yeah, I think it's less. I forgot to put it on my groups.
172. 174 people.
174. Okay, let's see. Hey, I don't know if we should enter again here. It's very risky, but let's see. See this 15-minute close. Let's see. Still above here. So it respected that support. Hey, I'm entering in small, guys. I'm entering buys on this very small. Don't go into aggressive. Don't go too aggressive. This could just be a big wick, and the 30-minute could be close above this, yeah. So this is basically the setup. Okay, there I'm in profit now. Let me show you. So I entered at that 5-minute close, that 15-minute close. I entered right over there, around there, yeah. I'm targeting. That's how it trades, like so. So I am in profit, but remember I did take a 10 grand loss on that first entry that I took that was very impulsive. I'll show you guys that it's all real accounts or whatever the case is. I'm currently up 8.5 on this. I need to see how this 5-minute closes. I'm currently in. Are you guys in? Are you guys in profit? Okay, I'm up 10 grand on this, but it doesn't basically breaking even for that other trade. Are you guys in? I'm up 10,700, 10,900. Let's see how it plays out. 11,000. Are you guys in? We're up 12,000 now on this. In again, please make a discount code for 5K account. Okay, we're up. How much? I'm up 15,000 now. Move your stop loss to entry, guys. Move your stop loss to entry. 15K, as you guys can see, live account. But remember, I did take the first L on the 10 grand. So technically, I'm not really up 15 grand because I did take a loss. I'm up now 16 grand. All stop losses at entry, guys. All stop losses at entry. Please, 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 please. Make sure. I'm doing that now. I'm moving my stop loss to entry, and then I'm just going to ride it out to see how it plays out. Stop losses all at entry. I waited for you to tell us when to go in. Running $700 in profit. Nice one. You're running in profit, guys. Put your stop loss at entry, please, please, please. Because you guys, so there is a lot of bearish momentum on this lower time frame. Right? Overall, we are bullish, but on the lower time frame, it is still a bit bearish. Okay. So all your stop losses at entry now. It's a risk-free trade if you are still in. If you take on your money and vied, well done to you. Price moved up decently from when we entered again. Can we add more? It's too late. Don't add more just yet, guys. Don't add more just yet. Do not add more just yet. I'll tell you guys when it's safe to add more positions. I won't be adding because, of course, I went in very, very aggressive. Very, very aggressive. What's lot size? What lot size is mine? Yo, I don't know, bro. I trade like this. I enter like this. So I have a lot of positions running. So each position is running around 400-500 rand in profit now. It was a bit more when I was 15 grand up. I'm now 10 grand, 11 grand up. Let's see. 13,000 rand up. How much are you guys up? How much are you guys up in the chat? How much are you guys up in the chat? In the chat, let me know. Let's see. Hey, this guy. Chat, not. Hey, guys, this guy's disrupting me. I'm trading here.
What is chat?
Chat.
Okay, but what is what is chat?
Chat. I don't know what that is.
Chat.
I don't know.
Info, man.
A chat. That's the one, not chat. Guys, he's asking me about swearing words here.
No. I just heard.
Let's see. How many people are in? Yo, well done. 200 to 1.2. Nice one, my brother. See, this 5 minute mustn't give me stress, man. This 5 minute here mustn't give me stress. Five minute mustn't give me stress. Up 400, up 2K from 100. Ah, nice, my brothers. As long as you guys are up. 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 It was a nice entry. Well, this entry. That first one I shouldn't have entered, man. I got too excited. I got way too excited. I should have just waited for candlestick confirmation. See, I didn't follow the rules. You're up 15 grand. Damn, bro. That's good, my brother. Let's see how this 5-minute closed. Come on, give us a nice close. It's a decent close. But we need more from this thing, man. I need more from this thing. I need more. Let's see if we can get some support here, and then hopefully it continues pushing to the upside. I missed the USD JPY setup yesterday. I'm going to go over USD JPY now, guys. I'm going to explain exactly what's happening. I'm going to look at the dollar. I just want this to push up just a little bit more to see. I want to see how it behaves here at this level of support. And then from there, we're going to start looking at other stuff. We're going to start looking at other stuff in the market. Please make a 50% discount on all accounts. Can you guys do that? They want a 50% discount on all the accounts.
So, on all the accounts.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. We can try.
Let's do something for since we hit 4,000 subscribers.
Okay, so I think did we hit 4,000 now?
Yeah, 4,000 subscribers.
See, it's back at entry, man. Ish. Still valid though. Still valid though. Still valid though, guys. Still valid though. Still valid. Brother, I used it yesterday on gold. Nice. You looking? Hence, I'm back today. Away. I'm glad, my G. I'm glad, my brothers, that it worked. Let's see. We need this 1 minute to go and create a higher high on the 1 minute time frame. If it does that, then I think this should go. It should go. Because see structure on the 1 minute, I'm looking at like so. See, it's going now. It's creating these lower lows, lower highs. Higher high, higher low, potentially to push up and create that higher high. So that's what I'm waiting for. So we're back into profit again. Just needs to break above. Here we go. How many trades did you take? When now I took one and I just entered the stream and I took it right here, so that I blew 10 grand. I'll show you guys everything, real account withdrawals if I make money. I'll show you everything now. Let me just see. Soon as price makes a new higher high on the 1 minute, if it does, I'm gonna take my money and buy. Maybe leave a few running positions. I'll see. But the way this is looking on the 1 minute, it looks fine for now. Let's see how the 5 minute close. 5 minute, see, it's pushing up decently. How many trades can we enter? The entry was down here, brother. The entry was down there. It's a bit risky to enter now.
No, I'm gonna say.
It's a bit risky to enter now. Here we go. So back floating at 11K in profit. But as I said, remember I lost 10K with that stupid entry. I did it as soon as the stream opened. So technically I'm on break even for the day. Nothing to really brag about. But let's see how this 5 minute close. If I get a nice strong 5 minute close, yeah, that would be pretty. Let's see. We need to break that previous high. We need to break this high, guys. That's what I'm waiting for. A break of that high, and I'll be very, very happy. 1 more minute for the 5 minute close. Is it gonna reject this or is it gonna push? Is it gonna close above my support or below? Let's wait and see. Can we enter now? 5 minute gold is buying W. Away. How many seconds? 22 seconds for the 5 minute close.
Gold just absolutely destroyed into that 4.55.
Gee. See, I don't like this 5-minute close, guys. Let's see. I don't like that close. I don't like that close. At all. It's going to take a lot for it to push up from here. See that close? I wanted it more bullish. Ideally, I would have liked it more bullish. I'm still in profit. I'm like 9K. Let's see. The setup is still valid, but I would have preferred a better close. Let's see 1 minute time frame what's going on. Yeah, see it's struggling to break above there, but if it breaks above this point, this area here, it's gonna fly, but it's struggling. I think there's still a lot of bearish momentum. For now, if it breaks above there, then it should fly. Let's see. I like you, boss. You didn't hide anything. Shout out, my brother. You basically a scalper. No, I'm not a scalper. I just went in very aggressive. The setup is still valid, but because I went in so aggressive, I need to monitor my risk. You understand? So the setup is still valid. If you're using proper risk management, you shouldn't stress. The thing is, if price comes back to my entry, just as I'm 10 grand up now, right, on a 10,000 rand account, so a small wick can take me out. You understand? A small wick can take me out because I trade very aggressively. You understand? So as we break above this trend line here, it should continue pushing. If it doesn't, I'm just going to take my 10 grand, break even for the morning, and then I'll look for something with you guys in a bit. I'm currently 12 grand up now. See, it looks like it's breaking above. Let's see in 15 minutes how it closes. Yesterday, both lives, you guys dropped gems. Thanks for the effort. Shout out, my bro. Oh, there we go. Now it's pushing back up nicely. 15 grand. 15 grand. There we go. 15 grand. Up. 16, 17 grand up. Live account. 18 grand up. 18 grand up. 19 grand up. There we go. Anyone still in? Yeah, hold it. 20 grand up. See, the setup is still playing out, guys. The setup is still dope. I think because I took a loss of that 10 grand, what I'm going to do is I'm going to close my 20,000 rand profit now. I'm up 10 grand. And then I'll see it a bit later. So here we go. Profit setup is still valid, as you guys can see. Profit closed. There's my balance now. It's now 30,000. Let me show you my history for the day. So if you have a look at the history, right, there is, okay, you guys can see now. So I deposited like 20 grand. Can you guys see this? Setup is still valid. If you're in, continue holding. We're inside. Nice. The setup is still valid now. I'm up 10 grand. I took the loss, as I mentioned, with my first entry. Second entry, I got in again. That 10,000, I flipped to 30,000. So my profit overall for the day is 10 grand so far. Right? I'm not sure if you guys can see this. What I'll do is I'll screen grab it and also post it, right, for you guys. That is the setup. Now I'm going to engage with you guys just a bit more now. So the first trades, you guys can see, there's the first 10K that I deposited, right, in the morning, the first 10K. That's the one that I took a loss when I just entered the stream, right? I put another 10K and I made profit. So I'm currently on 30K on this account. Let's withdraw some profit. So I'm going to withdraw 20,000 and I'm just going to trade with my 10,000 that I made already for the day. I'll show you guys that as well. And then I'll start engaging with you. We're going to chop up gold. Move your stop loss to entry move your stop loss to entry, guys, if you're still in. But what we're going to anticipate here now, right, is we could anticipate price to continue pushing up and create higher highs and higher lows like so. That could be an outcome, but let's pay attention to the 30 minute. 30 minutes also very important. That 30-minute close is also very important. Fully in, as AK said. W, you guys need a second camera for the phone. Yeah, we do. We're actually working on that, guys. I want to do full transparency.
Yeah.
Oh, we do?
Yeah,
Oh, so it's here. Yeah, oh, they're working on it, guys. I want full transparency, guys. Me, I don't trade prop firms. I trade my own money. When I lose my own money. So the first 10K I lost was my own money. I show you deposit, withdrawal, everything. I will show you. So I'm gonna do withdrawal now. Let's do 20k deposit withdrawal. I'll show you guys. So I'm basically withdrawing the money that I deposited, because remember I deposited 10k, I lost. I deposited 10k again, I lost. No, sorry, it's the second 10k, I made 20k. So I'm withdrawing all that, and I got 10k left in my account to trade for the rest of the day. So here's the withdrawal here. I only trade with space markets, as you guys know. I only trade with space markets. There you go. You guys can see the email, all of this. I'll show you my account balance and stuff like that. This is what we want on stream, guys. Everything must be real. You lose, we show real. You make money, it must be real. That's how it needs to be. Hey, I'm disappointed about that first L we took part in the morning, man. I hope you guys, did anyone just lose money? I hope no one lost money, man. I feel bad for you guys if you just jumped in with me on that first trade. The second trade was nice, the second trade. Let me know in the comments, you guys made money, lost money, still running in profit. There's my 20k here. That's my 20k withdrawal. And I'll also show you my balance now. Full transparency, guys, full transparency. And then we're going to start chopping up gold, and I'm going to explain what we're looking at for the dollar now. Let's see. Can you go through your trade setup once more? Okay, I will. We like it, man. Space forever. How long is your withdrawal on space? We'll see now. It should come within an hour. We should come within the hour. I think there's connection issues, though, because my money hasn't left my trading account. Just ask him to check. If there's connection, if there's an issue. 1 second. I think it's just my side. Lost 500. I'm sorry, my brother. Yo, I'm very sorry about that, G. From 450 to 650. Nice, growing the account day by day. I'm glad, my brother. I'm glad. I'm glad. I was hesitant to enter again. Sorry, my brother. Sorry about that, man. Yeah, I don't blame you. So those who jumped in the first A, I'm sorry, guys. Yo, it was a bit impulsive, but I did send the re-entry. I hope those took a L, but it's nothing. L isn't a loss, it's a lesson. Shout out, my G. Shout out. For me, guys, I don't mind taking L's, but I just don't like taking L's for you guys, man. Especially on stream. Why is it still showing my money in my account for some reason? Can you check? Okay, I will. Let's go. Can you check out gold? So gold, guys. So this year, you guys know what we're anticipating. Still anticipating buys on this year for now. Price is on the lower time frame, creating higher highs and higher lows. As I mentioned, I made 2 times my account, meaning I funded 10k, made 20k. It's fine for me, especially because I took a loss of that first 10k. So I made my money back and 10k profit. That's okay for the first trade of the day, right? So let's have a look at other stuff. So the setup is still valid, guys, on that day, right? So gold, let's have a look at what I'm looking at on gold. So gold, I went over those levels yesterday with you guys, right? Now we are currently above that 850, right? Remember that 50 levels I went over? We're currently above that. I don't like this previous 4-hour close. Hence why if price comes here now and rejects, I'm not going to enter immediately. I want to see how this 4-hour closes. Right? Remember yesterday I went over how important it is to always wait for 4-hour closures, right? So if you look at this previous 4-hour closure now, you can see there's a slowdown in bullish momentum, right? So there's lots of bullish momentum that push price up, right? And when it came back down, you can see it slowed down momentum a little bit. So for that, even when price comes and rejects it again, I'm going to wait it out a bit. I want to see how this current 4-hour closes in the next 1 hour. 1 hour and 15, what? 1 hour and 25 minutes, right? So I want to see how it closes then. Only if that next 4-hour closes bullish above my line of support will I then look to enter buys on gold, right? Just be careful of that previous 4 hour. Yes, it's above the support as I mentioned, but it's just slowing down on momentum. So what you could find if you enter, it could stall here for a while. And if you're very aggressive like myself, that period where it's stalling, you can blow an account. Can we have a discount code for thing USD JPY? Okay, makes sense, guys. Where's the entry on this trade? The entry on this trade will be around 850, brother. Around 850. But as I said, I'm waiting for this current 4-hour closure because the previous 4-hour closure wasn't amazing. All right. Whereas if you saw this one here, that close was nice. So even if you took buys at that point, you would have made money because you see price did push up to the upside. This one is not amazing just yet. Oh, my bad. Yo, thank you. I'm on my 2-hour time frame. Oh, crap, guys. In fact, wait, we can't get entries now. Hey, thank you. Who's this? Akshay, thank you, bro. Sorry, I was on my 2-hour time frame. I was supposed to be on the 4-hour. So based on 4 hours, yeah, we should be looking for buys. My apologies. I was looking at the wrong time frame. My apologies. We can't wait for buys here on 850. On 850, you can't wait for buys. Why? Because the previous 4-hour is bullish, right? This is coming down. So what we want to see is this. What we want to see is we want to see price come back down to 850, reject on the 15-minute, and then we'll take buys. Hopefully, I can get it within this meeting now. So I basically want to see this. I want to see price come here now. I want it to reject that level there, and then we'll buy. I'll take buys with you guys if it's on stream. Gold has been moving a lot in Asian session. Yeah, thank you, bro. I only realized now that I was on the 2-hour. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I didn't realize that. Thanks for the heads up. What is the entry on that trade? Which trade you talking about, OG? Gold has been moving a lot in Asian session. I've seen that, hey. I don't really trade Asian session, guys, but I've seen a lot of people in my community as well. They took trades, they slept, and they wake up with big profits. You just closed your buys. Oh, how much you made, Andrew? Did you close gold buys? It could give us another entry now. I'm holding buys now on gold since the morning. Also took some profits. Nice. Always take out some profits, guys. Always take out some profits. Always take out some profits. Internal transfer. One second, guys. I'm just transferring my funds from one account to another account so I can get the bonus again. Because remember, I did the withdrawal. Guys, I'll get a lot of questions on which account type I trade with. Right? The only account that I trade with is the bonus 100 ZAR. One second. The bonus 100 ZAR account. That's the account type I trade. I don't like the other accounts. Well, I don't like it. This is the best account for me because I make use of the leverage. Like, for example, you guys saw the trade I took now. I get a clean entry and I go in aggressive. That's my style of trading indices. And it makes good profit. On the other accounts, in fact, I don't even know about the other accounts, guys, because I don't use it. I just trade with the bonus 100 account. That's the account I love. What was it?
Your airdrop.
My airdrop, no? Okay, one second. What are you sending me? Clips.
Not the clips. I'm sending you some. You just do the most.
Hey, I'm not good at this stuff. Okay, sharp. Okay, let's look at other stuff. Okay, guys, let's go to this. Yesterday I sent you this, guys. Yeah? It worked out to the T. Please don't tell me they deleted it. Please don't tell me they delete. Oh, no, they never. Here we go. Look at what I sent yesterday, guys. Look at these levels. Yesterday, when the market was up here, I said price is going to retrace to this area here. I drew one line and two lines. I didn't touch this chart since yesterday. Look where price came to. Look where price wicked into on the dollar. I'm going to see now. Bang. Now, what we could see is price, because it retraced here now, and structure-wise, we are bullish. We could see the dollar continue pushing to the upside, right? So, stop looking for sells on USD JPY now, because we've already reached where price was intended to go. The only time we are looking for sells is when price was on its way to this level. Now that price has reached this level, as I mentioned yesterday, you guys can go back to the stream from yesterday. Once price reached there, we need to hold on now and see how price is going to behave, because price could push up and create a higher high, right? So those that are selling USD JPY, don't do it just yet. Wait it out, right? Setup and everything is still valid, yes, but just wait it out because we could see because price has retraced already to where it needed to go, right? And even this here I gave you guys yesterday as well. I did this high, low. You wanna see price come up to this area here for selling opportunities, which price did do. I think Dre took this. I'm not sure if Dre's on the chat now. Dre took this here. He made some money. A few people took this, made some money, right? If you are in at this point, stop loss at entry and continue holding. If you're not in, do not jump in now. Make sense? Let me open the chat on my phone. Bruh, I forgot to send all of this to all my communities. The stream.
Yeah.
Dre took this here. He made some money. A few people.
Yeah, Ash. Yeah, G.
Stop spamming.
I'm coming.
Can we have a discount? Oh, bro, they want the discount code. Can they have the 50% discount for 4K subscribers?
But if we do it, we can do something for like a rush hour or like a rush 30 minutes, something like that. Rush hour.
Because Gully 70 is active.
Yeah, Gully 70 is active. It's like, but
Ask them if they want it for like 30 minutes.
we can do it like for a rush hour, like a 30 minutes. Yeah, rush hour.
Okay, I'm sure. Okay, guys. So this is what the guys are saying now. I asked them if you can do a discount code, 50% discount code, right? So remember, Gali 70 is still active on your 1 million, 2 million.
No, 2 million, 4 million.
Sorry, 2 million. My bad. 2 million and 4 million. Your Gali 70 is still active, where you're gonna get 70% off. Okay. If you guys want, they said we can do a 50% off, but it'll only be.
Let's do a poll.
Okay, do a poll. Do a poll.
Yeah.
Then we can see if we do it. We're gonna see now if they're serious about it. Because if there be one person, then we're like, they're not serious about it.
100%. They're not serious about it. We need them to be serious about it.
Can do. Okay, so.
Alex, please get them to approve my withdrawal. Get them to pay my withdrawal, please. Huh? Put on. So guys, they're just putting a poll out now. Bruh, my community is saying why they're not telling them about the stream. There's so many of them want to join. Because I usually post it on the group. Guys, is anyone still in German? Is anyone still in German? There's German 30 buys. Let me know in the chat if anyone is still in.
Because there we go. We can do like a rush hour thing.
Okay, you guys are gonna comment on.
Yeah.
You guys are gonna answer the poll and then let me know.
If we get at least say out of how many people is there now?
Like 180, I think.
180. Out of 180, at least say 50 of them wants it. Then I'll do it even now. Like we'll get it. Now.
Okay, let's do this now. Okay, so we'll first find out if they want it, and then we'll find out which day we must do it.
Okay.
Because it's pointless us doing it now, and then people don't have funds to buy it. So we'll say, okay, maybe we'll do it on the 26th or the 27th or something. So let's just find out if they want it. Do you guys do a discount after I pass my challenge? Né? You guys do discounts after I pass your challenge. Okay, let's see what else we can see. So let me see what else we can see. So guys, look at this. So structure, remember I went over structure, guys. Structure is very, very important, right? Overall on structure here, on GBP USD, we are still bearish. Price is creating lower lows and lower highs. This is the previous lower high, right? So if the dollar pushes to the upside, right? You're still in German 30 buys, nice. If the dollar pushes to the upside, this can definitely push and create a new lower low, right? So it's very important now for us to monitor the dollar, especially because the dollar has already tapped into this area on the T, guys. Remember I said 28,250? Bang, that's where it pushed up from, right? So from here it can continue pushing up. If that continues pushing up, what we're going to see is GBP USD push down, right? So what I'm waiting for here on the dollar, right? I'm waiting to see some strong bullish structure on my lower time frame, right? So in this case, the hourly time frame, right? So I can start to see that the bullish structure has started to develop. If price does this, then I'll say sharp. This is going to continue, or looks like it wants to push to the upside for a little longer. And then I'll start looking for sells on GBP USD, buys on USD JPY, which is not ready just yet. But yeah, I think GBP USD sells, we could get some setups there, right? Because even if you have a look at structure here on this 1 hour, it's also bearish, right? So let's just monitor for the rest of the day how the dollar behaves, right? How the dollar behaves. If it continues pushing up, creating bullish structure on the 1 hour time frame, then we'd look for sells, right? Votes on 60. Yeah, so I'll let the votes run until the end of stream and anything. Guys, please also like and subscribe if you haven't already. That's very, very important, guys. Please. I'd really appreciate that. You need also like and thing. Let me just check the chat. What the chat gotta say. Yes. Okay. 1 hour is small. Yes. Have a look at GJ, bro. Okay, I will have a look at GJ. 1 second. Let's have a look at GJ. How about 50 calls on the 31st of January? I think King J, that could work. On the 31st of January, because I know people are probably waiting to get paid and stuff as well. So that could work. Maybe we'll do it while I'm on stream. I'll ask them if they can do it while I'm on stream. You guys can just buy your challenges. I can ask them for that. Can we enter on gold? Let me see what's happening with gold. Is gold at the support now? Let me see. Gold is not at the support. So what I'm waiting for on gold, as I mentioned, I want to see gold come back to here. I want to see it come back to 850, reject one more time, and then I'd look to buy. For now, I'm just waiting it out. For now, I'm just waiting it out. Gold seems to be retracing nicely, 100%. Yeah, gold is retracing nicely. Let's check GJ, guys. GJ. Let's check GJ. GBP, JPY. GJ is still valid. What we're going to see, or what we could see, is this here just tap into this level here. Then we look to buy. Let me see here. GJ is still valid, guys. GJ is still valid. As long as GJ doesn't break this point here, it's still valid. So we could see GJ come here. We could see GJ tap here and then start pushing to the upside there. We could see that. We did take buys yesterday from here. Yeah. Oh yeah, I sent buy signal from here yesterday, right? We had zero drawdown on this. It was a very nice setup. I moved some profit. I took out some profits and I moved my other stop loss to entry. So the profit that I took out, of course, worked well. So this was my trade that I took yesterday and that I sent on the signal group. We took it from there. We are targeting that high there, right? When I saw price reject the 750, remember I mentioned psychological levels, why they're so important, right? When I saw price reject the psychological levels, I took out some, right? So I got it from here to there. When I saw that rejection there, I decided to take out partial profits, move my stop loss to entry. And I moved my stop loss into profit, right? And then that's when I got taken out yesterday during the evening, right? But for now, it's still valid. The buys overall are still valid. We're just waiting for another entry. If I get another entry, I will share it with you guys on the group. But yeah, it's definitely still valid. Buys are still valid for this, especially on the lower time frame. We're still sharp. Also, my daily close, if I just have a look at the daily close, you could even come a bit lower. I wouldn't mind that to enter from there. Even if you have a look at the daily close, yesterday, nice bullish close. There is a wick here, but if you have a look at that bullish, let me just remove this for you guys. If you have a look at this body also took out those previous wicks around here. So there is definitely bullish momentum. Overall price is bullish as well. Price is creating higher highs and higher lows. So definitely still looking for buys on GJ. I wouldn't look to sell anytime soon. 31st is on a Saturday, so maybe on the 30th. Or even we can do it on that Monday back when we come back. Nothing hard about that like button. 100%, guys. Nothing hard about that like button. I'd appreciate it, guys. It boosts the stream. It boosts engagement. And you know, the more engagement we get, the more giveaways we do. So yeah, like, subscribe, and all of those streaming stuff. 50K on gold sales floating. My goodness. Oh, you went in hard, my brother. That's good. Strong bullish momentum on gold coming. Yeah, that's what I'm waiting for. See this 2-hour candle, guys. Let me show you what you're gonna wait for, right? What I like is you guys really pay attention. Eh? Yesterday, whatever I told you guys paid attention. A lot of you guys were messaging me, thanking me as well. I appreciate that, guys. I got gang messages yesterday of people that are so appreciative of like the knowledge and stuff that we shared, which is always good. But yeah, so what we're gonna wait for here, pay attention everyone. On GJ, there's a setup for you guys to take a bit later. Wait, my bad. There's a setup for you guys to take a bit later. Can you guys, what am I doing? Okay, sharp. So wait for this 2-hour close. Monitor your 2-hour time frame. If this 2-hour candle closes above 212, and it turns bullish, meaning it's blue, you can look for buys, right? So I'm gonna write it here for you guys. 212.250, right? If it closes above, you guys could potentially take buys and target new highs, right? This candlestick will close at 12. This candlestick will close at 12. I'll be off stream by then. But if it closes above, guys, definitely potential buys on this. You can see how it's rejecting now, right? Going back to the levels that I discussed yesterday, right? This is the 250. You guys can see when it rejected, it fell. When it rejected, it falls. When it rejected, it pushed up. So very high probability if it rejects here again, what's going to happen? It's going to push to the upside. Make sense? Top trade. I'm still in German. Do you think it's still valid, Mars? Oh, let me check what's happening with German 30. Let's see how the thing closes. Let me zoom in. So on the lower time frame, we're still fine. Let's wait for the hourly close. I'll tell you. Oh, my bad. Hourly time frame is still fine. For now, we're still fine on this on the hourly time frame. 15 minute, I'm not a big fan, but we still have 8 minutes of this 15-minute close, and this can definitely close above the support. So for now, we're still fine, guys. Your stop loss at entry, we're still good on this. Is everyone stop loss at entry? My GBP does not have. You just put 2H on your trading view, brother, and then it'll show you. You'll just put 2H on trading view, and it'll open a 2-hour chart for you guys. Let's see, still in German 30. Yeah, so stop loss must be an entry on German 30. What you could also find is maybe it taps in back to the support before it pushes up. But at 11, just remind me. I'll look at it again one more time. I'll see how the hourly closes, and I'll tell you if you cannot just take your money and buy or whatever the case. I'm glad I took my money and bought. I made some profit. A few guys made profit. Those that made profit, how much did you make on German 30? That took out the money. Yeah, took out their profit. How much did you guys make? Let me know in the chat. Let me know on the chat. What's SL and gold? We're not in gold yet, bro. We're not in gold already. We're not in gold. I'm waiting for gold to come to the support. So we're entering on the 2-hour close. After the 2-hour close, 100% on GJ, on GBP JPY. Right, you'll enter after, provided it closes above the support, and it's a nice bullish candle. See, we're not sure if it's gonna close above. Can you see on the lower time frame? We're still underneath that resistance now, right? Now we need to see what happens here on the 2-hour. Only if it closes above that support, right? So we want to see a candlestick that looks something like so. Let me show you. Let me draw it for you guys so you guys have an idea, right? And I want you guys to pay very close attention, guys, to the close of candles. I've been preaching that. So you want it to close like this, something like so. See, that's where it opened, right? So you want it to close like this, in that blue color, because of course my bullish candles here are blue. Ideally, it must close like that. If it closes like that, very high probability it's going to continue pushing back up. That's how you want to see your 2-hour candlestick close. Does it make sense? 21K. Yo. But you made them results. Oh, yo, you killed them, IG. 250. Yo, 5,400. Nice, my bro. Can you check yesterday? Okay, I will. You made 2K. Nice. I'm glad you guys are making money, guys. That's very important. US 30, let's check. Let's see the previous 4-hour. I don't like that 4-hour. The previous 4-hour, I don't like it just yet. So for me, I'm not looking for anything just yet on this. It could do anything. It could be bullish. It could be bearish. It's just, see here, there's not enough momentum in what it's doing. Can you see? We're stuck within that area. So as long as we're stuck there, I'm gonna chill. Now wait for the 4-hour close. 4-hour closure, I told you guys yesterday, is so important. Don't take it for granted. Don't take it for granted, right? But just looking at this here overall, right? If I just look at structure overall, right? Just on the grand scale of things, that's a low and that's a high. Could we potentially see buys from here for the market to push up and create new higher highs? Could we potentially see that? What do you all think? Let me know in the chat. Do you think we can see buys from this point for the market to push up and create new highs? Let me know. No, bro, not German 30 is not valid to it's not don't enter now. Don't enter German 30 now. The entry was at that last level. Don't enter now. Let's see. Please check NAS. Okay, I'm gonna check NAS in a bit. Powerful 4-hour closure and psychological levels. 100% Brandon. Brandon pays attention. Brandon pays a lot of attention. Yeah, I think this is still gonna go up, man. What's it called? German 30, I think is still valid for now. Still valid for now. Let's see how it closes. I'll cause look now, what I'm looking at is lower time frame structure. Like, so let me show you how you guys monitor this here. Right? So on the lower time frame now, okay? Let me remove all of this stuff. On the lower time frame now, let me remove this as well. You guys can see price is starting to create higher highs and higher lows, right? So if that's the low, that's a high, higher low, higher high. This could be a higher low for the market to push up and create a higher high. So you monitor this here on the lower time frame. So as long as price is above this point, it's still bullish, right? Another confluence you can use is your FUB from this low to that high. You can see where price came to, the 61.8, right? So there's a very high probability this 1 hour is going to close above this line of support and the next one is going to fly. Very, very high probability that we can see that. You can already see how it's reacting now. You can already see. Does that make sense? Trump is taking the conference, partials taken, securing 80K on gold, yo. Hey, you guys trade big, man. Guys, let me ask you a question, eh? Do you guys prefer watching trades of like funded accounts or like personal accounts? Account flips or like more fun? What do you guys prefer in the chat? Let me know in the chat what you guys prefer. Personal, okay? Personal accounts, personal account. Personal account. Either for me, money is money. Personal. Account flips, bro. 100%. Personal, to be honest. I'm using personal. Personal account flips. Yeah, I'm the same, guys. I prefer personal accounts. I don't post profits of me passing an account. That's not my money. So that's why for me, personal accounts. See, when you lose, like when I lost the 10K, you must be on edge. You can't be easy after you lost. When you're trading those other accounts, you're chilled, man. Must be on edge. Personal, I've traded props a long time ago. Still don't know how to trade personal accounts. Funded, you prefer funded. Okay, so there's one funded. People prefer personal accounts. Yeah, I agree, guys. Personal account is real. It's raw. You know, that's how it needs to be. Personals are different. 100%. I couldn't have said it. With personal accounts, it's different, bruh. Personal accounts are better, I feel. Way better. Gold is coming to the range. Okay, I'm gonna have a look at it now. The pain is not the same. 100%, bruh. The pain is not the same. Even the wins are not the same. Because when you win now, if you make, let's say 10K, that 10K is for you to pass a challenge. You can't withdraw that 10K and stuff like that. So that's nothing wrong with the accounts. I mean, but I think it's more exciting to see with real money, you know? See now, if I took a loss on the second setup that I jumped in, when I told you guys enter the trade, I'd be down 20K. You'd see it in my face. Ish, I won't be sitting easy. Opposed to on a funded account, I'll be chilled because it's just a challenge or something like that, you know? It must be personal accounts, bruh. Makali, when you kill it, when will you kill New York session? You guys tell me, if you guys want me to do New York session, I will do it. You let me know what you guys want. Yes, 100%. See now, that 10K profit I made, or I made today, yeah? I will screenshot and I'll also post it on my stories after. I'm very transparent. Yeah? I can go now and spend that money right now in Sanson Mall. Right now. Should I do it? Should I go spend that money? Let me know in the chat if I should spend that money. And if I should spend it, what should I buy? Let me know. Right now. I like prop firms and swings on live. I can see the names on stream. Aware. Sumpiwe, that's a nice way to say it. New York could be very educational. Okay, I'd consider it. I'd definitely consider it. Let's see. Gold is still coming down. We needed to come to 850. It's coming down nicely. It's coming down nicely. It's coming down nicely. Gucci from Gucci. Ah, you know me, boy. You know me. I don't play. I don't play. You know, don't spend that money. What impact the reset add on the market, whether it's a profit and loss? Let's start a business instead of blowing it, bro. That's true. Find those, bruh, those rooms for E30s are so hard to find nice ones, G. Well, I found a few. I found some OEMs, but I feel like the reps look better than the OEMs, man. Because it's not exactly the same. So I'm just, I don't know. Gold is dropping almost. Yeah, gold's gonna come there. I told you guys it's gonna come there. But remember, I'm not in the sell. So even though I anticipated it to come there, I'm not in the sell. I'm waiting for the buy. Buy turbo. Hey, I want to keep the E30 as stock as possible in terms of the look. So the only thing that's done in the E30 is I made it a 2.9. So everything's done internally. Like I don't want it to look in the engine bay where you can see it's not OEM. You get me? Bag the E30. Hey, I was thinking of bagging it, but nah, man. I want to keep it as clean and stock as possible. When you first start. Okay, Marcy, quick question. How much investment did you have or money you kept away when you started trading? Yo, I didn't have any investment. I didn't have nothing, bro. I blew everything on knowledge, buying courses, learning. I started small, bro. I remember at one point I used to focus on making 300 Rand a day. And I would stop trading. What was like 1.5. I just started the day 300 a day, and I slowly, gradually grew from there. If you have the skill set, you'll make money. Once you learn the skill set, you'll make money. And if you can handle your emotions, that's very important. Money is here. It's easy to see money. You guys can see setups. I showed you setups. This will happen. So once you see that, that's fine. And then you just need to manage your emotions. So if you take a loss, and stuff, you know, you wait for the next setup. You know, you don't just enter immediately and stuff like that. Spend that money, it's yours. Give away 500 Rand. Hey, I always give you guys. Who else gives you guys? I'm the only stream that gives you guys, bruh. I always give you guys. Who was your mentor? I didn't have a mentor per se, but I did courses of Astro FX and Q Banks. But I can't say that they really mentored me because they are just pre-recorded courses. That's not really a mentor. Guys, another thing, when you guys are choosing a mentor, there's lots of different mentors, lots of good mentors, whatever the case may be. But when you guys are choosing your mentor, make sure you choose your mentor based on his skill set that you have seen, right? Don't choose a mentor based on celebrity status, right? Because in our industry, you guys know, there's a lot of influencers, and very few traders. So whenever you guys are looking to get mentored, choose that mentor based on the skill set that you have seen, not on celebrity status. That's very, very important. Would you guys agree? I must give away my mentorship. Don't spend that money. I love the info you give, bro. That's my giveaway. Aware. Thank you, my G. Someone clip this wise words. Aware. You're still trading wins into investments and fixed deposits. Guys, I don't blow my money like that, man. 10 grand is not that much, you know. I just made it on stream. I don't mind spending. But I don't think as soon as I make money, I just spend. Are you guys crazy? Do you know Forex, Nasdaq, Billionaire Pro? I don't know. I don't know those. I don't know who they are, bruh. And I'm not talking down upon any mentor. I'm just saying for yourself. It comes a time where you guys are putting in the work. You guys are putting in the effort. Just make sure when you guys choose a mentor, it's based on his skill set. Not on, he's a cool guy. He gets chicks or he pops bottles. No. It's nice to admire that person, but your mentor must be based on his skill set and you've seen that you can learn something off him. Not based on, I want to be like him and have 1 million followers. You know, that's a big mistake that people make. A very big mistake. Fast. No, don't get me wrong. 10K is, I'm not saying it's not a lot of money, guys. It's a decent amount of money, you know. But don't just think I go and spend, as I make profit, I just spend everything. No, I put away money, I have to. Especially as a trader. How do I join your mentorship and groups? You can just message me on Instagram, bro, and I'll let you know of what I have. Give a hot take on current influencer. Give a hot take on a current influencer. Hey, nah, I'm not here to bash anyone, but I don't know. I don't know who's good or not good, but a lot of you guys watch a lot of different mentors, you know. So make sure you're watching them for their work, their trading, their analysis, not just for, I don't know, whatever you guys watch people for. You know? I challenge you to flip it to 50K in 3 live streams. Bro, I can do that in 1 day, my brother. I can do that in 1 day. I don't need 3 live streams to do that. I took 1K, 10K to 30K, right? Take another 30K to add 20K more. It's nothing. But the thing is, do I want to risk 30K for extra 20K? Do I want to risk it now? That's the question. You know, also when it comes to trading, guys, it's something very, very important. No? Remember, when the market, or when you're in profit, it's good. Right? So let's just say I had 10K and I'm up 20K. Okay? Like, for example, the trade I took now with you guys, I was up 20K. Right? I just lost 10K, but aside from that, number one, I went in very aggressive. That's number one. Right? So even if the market just wicked, it would have taken me out. Okay? But the second thing, which is very important that a lot of you all must realize, and I think I spoke about this to my US 30 group, it's not only about me losing that potential 20,000 that was running in profit, right? But I must also think about my initial investment, which was the 10K. So that's 30K that was on the line at that point. Does it make sense to risk that? It doesn't make sense to risk that, right? Especially because the trade I took prior, I lost 10K as well. So holistically, I could lose that whole 40K that I had at that particular point. It doesn't make sense. So sometimes take your money and go, especially if you know the skill. So I'll always get another setup. Like, for example, now I'm waiting for gold. If gold comes on, I'll get another setup. I can make more money, you know? So take thing. My guy, honestly speaking, I feel safe to do the 7.5 transfer when you're on live. Can we do it? Yeah, you can do it right now, bro. Right now. Courtney, you can do it right now. Message me right now. I'll do it right to on stream. Message me now on Instagram. I mean on, what's it called? Message me now on WhatsApp. I send you my details. You do your payment. I show them. And I take you through the journey. And then you will tell the people if it works for you or not. I like trading 1:3. Yeah, 1:3 is good as well. 1:3 is good as well. In my opinion, Marcy gives the most valuable knowledge from all the guys that go live on stream. Appreciate it, my brother. Thank you, Mr. Kassam. But I'm sure you all got your own favorite streamer, which is good. We're all here for the same reason, to help you guys, stuff like that. So the main thing is you're here to make money. When is 1K to 100K challenge? Those challenges are nice, but why? Like, why do things that are so far-fetched? Why don't we do 1K to 10K? Stuff like that. That's more achievable. Because you see what happens when 1K to 100K. You can get 5 trades right, you'll be up on, let's just say, 25 grand. But the one trade that you get wrong on that account, you'll blow that whole account because of the emotions. Which is why which goes back to what I mentioned yesterday. I found what I'm willing to lose on that trade. So a lot of the time when you're trying to build an account, because you did so well for a good couple of days, and as I mentioned, let's say you're on 30k for example, yeah? And then let's say you take one trade and the market goes against you. Right now, because you don't want to lose all of the hard day's work, you'll force yourself, or you'll hope, or you'll trade in hope that maybe it'll turn around and go back up, and you'll eat all your profit in one trade. You're with me? So that's the only thing about those challenges, is that sometimes one bad trade will knock people out. Whereas you take 1 grand, you make a grand, you withdraw that money. Take that other grand, make 2 grand, withdraw that money. You're building your bank account. Don't build your trading account, build your bank account. That's very, very important. MFX is your favorite streamer. Thank you, my brother. Thank you. I'm your top 2 favorite streamers and I'm not number 2. Away, shout out, dog. Let's do 1 kids and I can do it, bruh. I can do it. Anytime, you guys let me know. Too easy for Marcy to make 100 to 100k, yo. Hey, I wouldn't say it's easy, bruh. It'll take a long time, eh? Bro, my space markets bonus does not apply if the position reads minus balance immediately. Yeah, so bonus account, guys, is for leverage. It's not a drawdown bonus. Alright? It's not a drawdown bonus. So it's for you guys to use the leverage. It's basically leverage, guys. Right? It allows you to open mad positions. Like you guys saw, as soon as I opened those positions, you guys, I was like floating, I got 5-6 grand instantly. You know? So use it. Once you master your skill, you use that leverage. You don't have to use it. Remember, it's something you have, you don't have to use it. Right? So you trade on that account, but doesn't necessarily mean because it allows you to open so much, you have to use it. No, you don't have to use it. Right? But because I was so confident that that particular support, the market's going to push up. That's why I used it, right? Because had the market broken the support, my trade is invalid. You with me? So let's go back to the trade where I entered, right? And show you guys. You guys saw I had that level of support drawn right there, right? This level here, based on 1, 2, whatever the case is, right? So when price came, then it rejected, right? I was very confident that when it rejected, it's going to move from this point. And I used that bonus or that leverage, and I took full advantage of it. Right? So when price was around here, I was already up like 6 grand. Right? Up here, we were up 20, whatever the case. That's when I closed, right? Because price was, as I said, I was monitoring this on my lower time frame, and price pushed up and created a higher high. I was happy with that equal high. So just because it's there doesn't mean you have to use it. But if you know how to make use of it the correct way, kill it. High risk trade, high reward, 100%. High. And even that, I wouldn't say it's a high risk for me because I'm willing to lose that per trade. I'm willing to lose about 10 grand, 15 grand per trade. That's just how I trade. You understand? So even if I took a loss there on that second one, it's not going to be, I'm not going to be crippled where I can't trade again. You know, I was going to find another 10k, take another 10k, even if I take 1k to 40k, which is a 30,000 rand profit, 1:3. It's very achievable, as you guys can see. Gold is retracing on the 5 minute when it hits psychological. I don't trade 38.2, my brother. Check German. Yeah, German is still fine, guys. Remember I said, as long as this is not broken, we are still bullish. I do see we're having that retracement there. But as long as this doesn't break, we're still bullish. Right? But that's why I also took out, because I knew we could play around here for a long period of time before we get that move. Tomorrow, New York session. Yo, I'm here longer than I'm usually here for. Yeah, tomorrow I'm here at 10:30 as well. Sorry, at 10 o'clock as well. Are you come? Where's FMAS, guys, this year? I'm not sure where it is. Is it in Cape Town again? I'll come. Maybe I can do a live session with you guys there in Cape Town when I'm there. I came here because you are my favorite trader, Andy the GOAT, and now I'm at Marcellino on stream. I have admit you the best on stream and the GOAT on swing. Shout out, my brother. I appreciate it, my brother. Thank you. You guys want me live the whole day. You guys will get bored of me. You guys will get bored of me. GBP, let's check GBP JPY before I go off. GBP JPY. Oh, you guys want me to wait till that time? See? Now we need 45. It's at 12. If this doesn't close above, it's not a trade. Then what will you do then? Right? Let's say it closes below this line. Then we'll wait for the market to come to the next psychological level, which is this one. Right? Pay attention how it behaved here. How it behaved here. How it behaved here. How it behaved here. Right? So it could, if it doesn't close above this line of support, it could come to this line of support, and we'd wait for the same thing. Candlestick close above that line of support. If it's above the line of support, we'll take a buy, target new higher highs. Meet and greet. You know, yeah, I can do that, bro. Cape Town anytime. I love. When are you choosing 10 people for my US study strategy? I'll choose them when we get like maybe 5,000 subscribers. I'll take 10 people. Cool, my guys. Any questions before I go? This is the first time streaming, you guys. Awe, my brother, welcome, welcome, welcome. Please like and subscribe. How many likes do I have? Guys, please like before I go off, man. The quicker we get the likes, the more likes we get, the more subscribers we get, the more giveaways we do.
90 now.
Huh?
90 likes.
90? That's terrible. You good, bro?
I'm nice, but you like?
Yeah, I'm live. Come say hello.
Come. There's a special guest here, guys.
There's a special guest.
Wait, let me put the chat up. Let me see. Guys, there's a special guest. Just for the... Is this one?
Yeah.
Come, let's just...
What is going on? Let me pull this chair. This chair's not holding anything, right?
Guys, you guys see, bro.
Yeah, what's up? What's happening? Hope you
Who's
guys
this?
good?
Who's this
Marcellino,
person?
bro.
My bro?
You're nice.
You're nice. Oh, yeah.
I know you're killing it. What are you trading?
I traded German 30.
Ah,
I traded already, yeah.
so now you're analyzing GBP.
Yeah, I'm
Shit,
waiting
yeah.
for... They want me to wait till 12, bro, but that's a bit long.
Let's
But I
see-
told them exactly what they need to do.
Yeah, let's see who's this now. Who's this, guys? I don't know who's this person here. Like, we found...
Tapped in. How many people are watching here, man? W's in the chat.
400.
W's in the chat.
There we go, yeah.
W's in the chat.
The results for the poll. Oh, yeah, so the poll they wanted now. I think we're going to do it on... I think let's do it on the...
How much is it?
I don't know. How do you see? Go see.
So how much people on this poll? That's what we want. 100. It was 138 people wanted the 50% off. Okay, we're going to do it, yeah.
Okay, so we're going to do it. I think let's do it
But we'll do
in
it
the
for an
first
hour.
week in Feb.
But only for an hour.
Yeah.
For an hour. On the Tuesday when I'm on stream. Fair?
First week.
Yeah, in
Yeah,
Feb.
we can do it
Because so
first.
everyone gets paid by then. Money has cleared. People can buy.
Buy accounts.
Yeah.
Yeah, no. W's in the chat, guys. Put all those W's there. You guys are being given knowledge for free, man. This is amazing stuff.
Imagine, bro, for free.
And Marcellino is a crazy trader, so if you're getting your sessions with him, man, you guys are making money.
Oh, yeah.
You guys are making money, man. Bro, what's your view on gold? Have you been trading gold?
I'm waiting for buys.
Hey, that thing almost wiped me out last week, bro. I jumped
Why?
out before it could wipe me out.
I'm
Night
wait-
before it could
I'm
kill
waiting
me.
for buys at 850. See, it's coming slowly, guys, down.
Let's see,
I told you guys, wait for it. You'll catch it. And
Before
wait-
this break of the all-time high, yeah, I almost saw dust, eh?
I wanted to come here and reject this level, yeah, and then I'll look for buy.
Oh, bro,
Because it's like this. I'm seeing it like
we're
this.
waiting for that 5,000, eh?
Yeah, I'll be going for that 5,000. See, it already tapped in here, so I just wanted to come here, reject one more time, and then it's gonna buy. What do you think? What do you say?
Nah, same thing, bro. Waiting for that. I mean, we've been waiting for this 5,000 so much that I almost lost money trying to overbuy. Like I've been
Oh.
buying, bro. I was at
And the
4,000.
retracements were taking
yeah.
out.
Like there, I go up and down. Let's go to like for 1 hour, like on 4,500, bro. I put like 20K and I pulled out. Yeah, they were that 600 there.
Around here, nah?
Yeah, almost killed me that thing there. But I kept jumping.
Bro, this
out.
is just this
Yo,
week, nah?
bro. Yo, this is
Bro.
crazy. Because last week I was struggling with that. This is just this week. That's mad, eh?
Hey, gold, if you bought and hold, are you?
That is mad. This is just this week because I last traded on when it was moving at about 4,625, 650. That was my last trade on gold. Oh, it flew, bro. If I held.
Yeah, if you held, you're away, bro.
And I made like 15K, imagine. That's a small move.
Buy more of German 30.
Yeah.
Let's see. Away, my guys, I'm done now. I told you guys what to look for in German 30. Those that are my single group, I'll also keep an eye out as well for you guys. We're either going to enter buys here or here once we get candlestick confirmation. No candlestick confirmation equals no entry. Cool, guys. Catch you guys tomorrow at 10 a.m. Yeah, enjoy the rest of your day, guys. And